Sharif for declaring their right as a Turkish speaking Pakistan. Very honestly speaking, this year almost in all countries, our National Day was celebrated as a day. But in Pakistan, we celebrated Ramadan for a week.
Turkey
The iconic landmarks across Pakistan were illuminated in red and white colors, symbolizing the enduring fraternity and the shared pride between our nations. The streets of Islamabad are adorned with Turkish flags and photos of our President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. I also would like to thank Türk International Schools family for organizing the closing ceremony of Turkish National Week at the General Convention Center. This excellent program. The date of the foundation of the Republic of Türkiye, October 29, is a day of pride for the Turkish nation. The intention and the goal of the Turkish national struggle was to provide and to maintain complete liberation and unconditional sovereignty. As our great leader, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk said, during the national struggle years, it was either istiklal or death. We know that Turkish nation's victory under the leadership of Atatürk has also been a source of inspiration for the founding fathers of Pakistan and brotherly Pakistani people. Indeed, it was our shared victory. Our elders still remember stories of those days. Gold bracelets melted in Lahore bazaars to Turkish soldiers. We have never forgotten and we will never forget these sacrifices and the brotherhood of our Pakistani brothers and sisters. How can we forget the support of Allama Iqbal, Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Ali brothers of the Khilafat movement, Mevlana Zafer Ali Khan, Abdurrahman Peshawari, Hasan Ali Efendi and many others, who sent both prayers and the sacrifices to their brothers in Türkiye. They are our common heroes. These stories remind us that brotherhood is not born of convenience, but of shared values, shared goals, and shared struggle. We celebrate each other's victories, we grieve each other's losses, and we call